Korea products more than it shows.
Today we will take a look at an awesome caulking gun Gorvia GAC 90. This is a tool gun with both face value and strength. It has 6-gear CVT adjustment to choose from, with high-quality comfortable feel. Its rechargeable lithium-ion batteries can keep you away from wired worries. Okay, let's experience the joy of assembling the gun. After assembling, let's test its function. Look at this silky smooth feeling, it's simply awesome. Even the hardest glue will be effortless with it. Finally, we are about to start actual combat. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, shoot!